ginagawa namin to para ma-share namin ang mahal namin na ginagawa sa buhay araw-araw. At ginagawa namin to para, yun nga, mapasaya kayo. Dahil yun yung Spartan's way.
Oh, di ba?
Mga tuturuan bukas.
Yan.
Sana, masaya kayo. Masaya kami. Thank you, Luel.
Yan, oo. Ikaw ang bukas mag-ano eh.
Ako bukas.
Ikaw leader bukas,
Bukas ko
boss.
isipin yan kasi bukas pa naman eh.
Ikaw.
Ha?
Ikaw.
Gusto ko maano natin yung mga tropa natin dito, mainganyo. Time namin 7 AM.
Maaga pa. Bukas pa naman yun eh.
Oh. Tangkong ba? Okay, tapos na po mag-almusal yung mga bugoy. Okay, nagre-ready na po sila. Tapos na po kaming mag-breakfast at ito nagre-ready na kami para sa aming first class. Ang call time namin doon, 9 AM sharp. Liligo na ako, guys. See you later. Alright guys, ito na, bihis na kami. Fresh na fresh. Nakatulog ng maayos. Nakakain, nakapag-almusal, nakapagkape yung isa. Naka-shades po.
The nerves and adrenaline before stepping into the ring, that's exactly how we feel right now.
Coach Alvin, Coach Queen, and Coach Luigi.
Why do we do this?
Ginagawa ng Spartan's Boxing Club to dahil we don't confine ourselves in our 200 square meter place in BGC. We try to move out and really bring up boxing for everyone, meaning schools, companies, even like corporations that need to move and work out. Boxing's not just for people to wanna fight. Boxing is for everyone who wanna work out, wanna dance, have fun. And you could see in the videos that we talked a while ago, people are just having fun, touching their shoulders. Masaya. Ginagawa namin to para ma-share namin ang mahal namin na ginagawa sa buhay araw-araw. At ginagawa namin to para, yun nga, mapasaya kayo. Dahil yun yung Spartans way.
Why did you choose Spartans Boxing Club BGC?
Muna gusto ko magpasalamat na marami sa Boxing Spartans BGC and kay Sir Vic. Thank you so much. And this is our NTMA Academy for maritime aspiring maritime cadets, and today is our 15th quality day, so thank you for supporting us in our 15th quality day. We're celebrating best of quality. Themes are around wellness and growth, so why not grow with the boxing community, grow with our passion here and share it with the community, with the Spartans, with TDG. So thank you so much for supporting us today here at our TDG NTMA Academy. So thank you again.
So kakatapos lang namin magturo ng 3 classes. Nakakatuwa kasi yung mga aspiring Filipino cadets or yung actually mga empleyado dito or community dito ay masaya sila na nakapag-training sila ng boxing. So salamat po and thank you for choosing Spartans Boxing Club BGC.